Okay, so spline installation, or yoke installation part 2. So there's different ways of putting these in. You can pound them in, you can use a chunk of metal. I just happen to see one there, and you can use a ball peen hammer, drive them in and out. Works pretty good. You can put a socket like I tried. These are set pretty hard and work. So the best thing to use is a ball joint press. And my DeWalt impact. Makes it pretty simple. So back in, grease fittings in it, all ready to go. We'll grease this fitting. Once it goes back on the machine, then it's a good idea to tape your other open cap ends, so as you're pounding on things and wrestling it around, you don't drop your caps out and have to chase all the pins across the floor and try to get them back in. So there's the old one out. Yuck. That's what I'd call that, a little greasy mess. So I guess that's it. Those are the old caps off the other. Generally, what I'll do is I'll save all the locks, because you never know when you're doing service, you look under there and there's a lock missing. Now, the new locks that came with this U-joint did not fit the groove. So the other ones are in good shape. The originals, I put them back in. So, yeah, gee, say that. Ball joint press. Ratchet gun, clean everything up, grease it, have a good day. All right, I think that's it. Had a comment on how do I plug a tire. I will try to get that done on Saturday and put a video up on how you do that. Okay, thanks for subscribing, liking the videos, and love the comments.